Hello friends, today we are talking about light and dark. And we are going to talk about how light and dark play together to make shadows. So as you can see, we have a flashlight here on black paper background. And what happens is when there is no light, we have dark. So what I've gathered is some toys, and we're going to use them to make shadows. And think about it. Really, what is a shadow? A shadow is dark, but you cannot have the shadows without light. And when something is blocking that light, it makes a shadow. So you can experiment with a variety of toys and move the light around and watch how the shadow moves. Notice that when you move the light, the shadow moves as well. And based on the position of the light, the shadow can be small, it can disappear, or it can get really long. So sometimes, when we're going to bed at night, we see creepy shadows. Just remember that it's really just something that's blocking the light. Let's see, some other things that you could experiment with. I have here some letters. You could experiment with your letters. What letter is that? That's letter U. And I have this letter. What letter is that? Looks like letter D. And I have this letter. It looks like letter B. I've also taken some buttons and I've glued them onto a stick, and you could try to get a shadow of the shape. Oh, there it is. There's the star. And you could use whatever toys that you have to try to make shadows. If you put him against the wall and try to make his shadow go on the wall. Or you could put the light up above and watch the shadow move around. And when you've used all of your toys and shapes, you could use your hands and make puppets. What animals can you make? Next time when you're outside, try to find your shadow and think about it. What's making your shadow? Have fun, friends.